Atomizing dye lube is essential to reduce high lube viscosity for complete coverage and cooling the die cast for best efficiency. The entire process works to provide lubrication to die cast molds with various coating materials. If you have an aging automated spraying system or one that does not meet your standards, Proportion Air can help retrofit the pneumatic controls on your current system to our extremely repeatable and durable electro-pneumatic control devices. In a dye lube spray application, a controller sends a signal to a QB2 mounted on a PSR. This controls the air pressure for the atomization portion of the application. A proportion air transducer sends line pressure signal feedback to the QB2, ensuring the air is atomized with the dye lube. The controller simultaneously sends a signal to the QB1X mounted on a liquid regulator, in this case, the Burling Valve BD series, to control air atomizing the dye lube in the die cast mold. This QB1 requires a separate air source to provide signal pressure to the dome of the liquid regulator. The precise amount of air-to-lube mix is sprayed onto the mold.